Stonebridge Estates is one of Murray Franklyn's newest luxury communities. Located on the Sammamish plateau with 15 total lots, Phase 1 is well under construction with homes to be completed by the end of this year.
This means 8 incredible opportunities to call home. The community will feature 6 different floor plan options for buyers to choose from. These homes feature open and functional spaces for today's lifestyle with no detail left out. Standard features showcased in every home offers full slab quartz counters in the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room. Beautiful 7-inch wide plank flooring throughout the main floor living spaces and the stair treads.
We also include fine crafted millwork, rich wainscoting, and crown molding throughout, which leaves each home elevated in a classic and timeless craftsman way. The beautiful city of Sammamish is also known as one of the friendliest cities in the country. East of Lake Sammamish, south of Redmond, and north of Issaquah, the city is within close proximity to the I-90 corridor and is just 30 minutes from Seattle.
Stonebridge Estates is located within the award-winning Issaquah School District and within close proximity to Eastside Catholic, which provides an excellent college prep program for middle and high school students.
Sammamish is also 20 minutes to several major employers such as Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and more.
Sammamish is known for its lovely walking trails, rich diversity of culture, collection of restaurants, and has a total of 9 parks.
We welcome you to stop by and tour this gorgeous community of high-quality Murray Franklyn homes.